Happy first beach day! Is it your first day at the beach? Alright everybody, so we're going to the beach. If you like this video of us going to the beach, just comment down below so we can do more beach videos or anything like that. There's so many beaches here in Florida. There's Dania Beach, there's Fort Lauderdale Beach, Hollywood Beach. There's little beaches that are, you know, Miami private. Beach. Miami Beach, which we will not be going to. So I'm thinking for Kendal's first beach. What do you think, Daddy? Where should we go?
Let's probably check out Dania Beach. They have a nice pier there, and they have a restaurant. So, win-win.
I want to go to the seashell.
There's seashells in every beach, so that's really cool. Daddy, did you bring the toys?
Oh, I forgot the toys, but maybe we can find some out there, okay, honey? I know. I honestly just slipped my mind. I thought about it before I left too. Sorry,
we can bury Daddy.
What?
We're gonna bury Daddy because he forgot the toy, so we're gonna make him a toy. Where are we going? Vamos para playa. Vamos para playa. Vamos para playa.
Sunscreen because it's too hot. Beautiful day though. It's the pier. There's a restaurant over there on the left. It's a hot day, huh, mama? Huh, baby? Get the little stinker sleeping right there. Enjoying this Florida weather.
Come back.
Where are you going, silly?
Ooh, they have to get your shoulders too. Very important.
What? You're gonna turn to a spinball.
Hey, water please. Oh, you wanna go in the water? I have to put sunblock. Let me put sunblock on Daddy. Daddy, you need sunblock.
Alright, I need some sunscreen. I want to damage his face. girls doing? Digging the hole for who?
For you.
What?
All right, Julie. Watch Daddy's face, okay? Bury him. All right, Daddy, you're almost buried.
What do you mean?
Don't leave me here, girls.
We're leaving you here. Tie his whole body. Julie, where's Daddy? All right, Daddy, you ready to break out of here? Julie, think he can get out by himself? Let him try. By yourself, Daddy. Come on, Muscles. You wanna go, Kendall? Say bye. Out of all your toys, you want Mommy's glasses, really? Are you at the beach? Wait, can I see these toes? Ouch! Look at Kendall. Guys, nothing is better than this, being at the beach with my family. My little baby girl. Daddy's got a burger. Mommy got some tacos. Julie got some mac and cheese. Chicken nuggets. Open it, Julie.
They at the beach with the fam. Got a nice burger. Oh yeah, the chicken dinosaurs.
You like your chicken nuggets or your mac and cheese better? Both. Kendall. Stinky butt. Hi, Mama. What are we doing? Who are you? What's going on? How are we doing it? Who, what, when, where, how? Where are we going? We're going to dinner. It's called Seasons 52. We went there before.
When?
Couple times.
When? Who? How?
You'll see when we get there. Who's this handsome man?
Oh hey.
Oh, baby, clean up nice.
I stay clean.
Oh, Daddy's so silly, isn't he? We got Kendall in the back. Hey, everybody. Hope you guys are having a great day today. We are on our way to one of our other favorite restaurants. It's called Seasons 52. If you guys are in the Sawgrass Mall area, it's in there, and you guys gotta check that out. It's great.
Yes, we're about to enjoy some nice
Family dinner, family time. Probably a little wine and dine because we're, celebrating my birthday and Juliana's birthday all week.
all month.
So it's party. So they have delicious food. And
Yeah, we actually been here a few times. We actually know a couple waiters here, so
it's like a go-to place in a way. Sometimes we just do the same thing over and over again, but we're gonna try something new. So one reason is, if parking is not good somewhere, to be honest with you guys, I don't even like to come.
parking's bad.
Normally when we come here, we always find a spot, but babe, we can walk.
All right, well let me see if they got valet. Valet flag's up there. Oh, we're valeting.
Oh, the valet flag's here today because sometimes they don't
You
have
can walk
it.
if you want to, Mama. All right.
Excuse me.
I think it's okay to go around the building. Whoa. Sorry, I got a sports car.
Sorry, you have a sports car?
I just make myself laugh. I really don't. It's not a sports car. I'm just being funny. Oh, this is Jesus.
That's a beautiful part.
Okay, well, let's not talk about that guy's car.
Okay, guys, so how funny do you guys think Jacob is on a scale of 1 to 10? Because
I'm actually not that funny.
I'm going to give him like a
I'm a
7.
very serious guy. There's no jokes over here, okay?
Yeah, he could be like -4 sometimes. Good morning, Kendall. Wendell, did you have a good nap? Juliana, do you remember this place? Yeah? Hi, how are you?
I know those spots aren't ideal.
I love this spot, thank you. Kendall, you got Daddy's sunglasses? So this is the kids menu. What would you like to eat? Kendall, what would you like?
She likes lobster already.
I think Kendall's gonna order the pasta.
Yeah, is that what you want?
I will like mac and cheese.
Oh no, really mac and cheese. You're gonna turn into a noodle.
No, I'm not.
Juliana, what are you doing?
I'm playing coffee.
What are you getting to eat tonight?
Mac and cheese. Vegetables. Mac and cheese and vegetables, guys.
Wow, look at the birthday girl. What are you doing? Oh, excuse me. The birthday girl. Both of the birthday girls. Got a nice little menu here. What are you drawing over there?
I'm drawing a house.
Wow.
The hotel and
Oh, like a little resort. Like a little resort. That's awesome. Drew a nice big building. Good job, princess. So, how does it feel to have birthdays next to each other, girls? Yours is on Sunday and yours is on a Saturday.
I have the best kid that I could ever have.
Really?
Perfect daughter, Juliana, and this is my second gift.
Cheers. I hope you girls enjoy your dinner. Thank you.
Mama, and happy
Appreciate
birthday
you.
to
Cheers,
Juliana.
Julie. Happy birthday.
We
Let's
love
do a 3 cheers.
Nice and slow, baby. Oh, nice.
Juliana, how's your green beans? Eat your green beans if you want a cool dessert. What is
Cool dessert.
what? All right. So what are you gonna cheers to? Us?
So we have a Belgian chocolate s'mores.
Nice.
With the Rocky Road
Whoa.
chocolate
Juliana
syrup.
wants the s'mores.
That's what I
Coconut
want.
cream pie, toasted coconut,
Wow.
peanut butter tart, chocolate
Peanut
cake
butter tart.
with peanut butter tart, chocolate cake with a peanut butter mousse, chocolate syrup with peanuts.
That sounds illegal.
It is.
Wow.
Should be illegal, right? Turtle cheesecake with chocolate caramel sauce, graham cracker crust as well.
What do you want, birthday girls? You hearing?
Juliana's gonna do the s'mores. I think I
Wow.
want the Oreo.
Uh-oh.
Oreo cookies and cream,
Nice.
pecan pie with the vanilla bean mousse,
Pecan pie.
and the raspberry chocolate chip cannoli.
Wow. Raspberry cannoli. Nice. Let me get this guy.
Got it? So 2 of the s'mores?
2 s'mores. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, brother.
You got it,
Thank
you got
you. Ready, guys? You ready for your desserts? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kelsey and Juliana. Happy birthday to you too. I love you girls so much. Make a big wish, big wish. All right. Happy birthday.